Hello, welcome to Punky Flute. I always talk about how it's so exciting and fun playing improvisation. But today I thought I'll show you how we play as a band and how improvisation is incorporated within our concert. So I know I talk about how fun it is to improvise. But you might be wondering, so what next? What happens once you get used to improvising? What can you do? So I thought I would show you what happens in my band. I have a band called Miho's Jazz Orchestra, and we play lots of concerts around New Zealand. I wanted to show you what we do. Improvisation is super fun, and through improvising you can communicate with people you don't know in a musical sort of way. Even if you didn't speak the same language with that person, you could play music together, and I think that is absolutely beautiful. You could turn up to the other side of the world, and you could turn up to a jam session, and you could just like whip up your flute and join the fun, right? So when you go to jam sessions, they normally have what key you're going to play in or what groove you're going to play. You could turn up to like a funk soul jam session or like blues jam session. You could go to traditional jazz jam session, or there are different types. Or alternatively, you could form a band with some of your friends, and if they play same instruments or different instruments, it doesn't really matter. You could get together, you could agree on the key that you're going to be in together, and you could just have a go. In my case, I have a band and they're my friends, and some of them come and go. Sometimes we have bigger lineup and then sometimes we have less people, but essentially they're all my friends that I love playing music with. And normally I would come up with a tune and go, let's play this song, and all I do is have a melody written down with the chord progressions on top of the melody. That's called a lead sheet, and I'll give it to them and they go, okay. And our guitarist would play the chords, drummer would play the beat, the bassist would play the bass lines, and my husband Pascal plays the violin. And I wanted to show you over this song called Los Dos how we play in the concert. We would play the melody, and then some of us would do solos. We'll improvise, come back to the melody, the end. Even at a jam session, if you're doing a song, you could have melody together, the song. Then people could take turns improvising. That's also called solos. And then you have a song together, the end. I love playing classical music too, but the freedom and the connection that you get when you improvise is just amazing, and the whole band listening to each other is just super cool. So I hope you enjoy this song. This is called Los Dos. much for watching today. I hope you have a great day. See you next time.